Hello students, how are you all? Studying well? Very good. From exercise 1.5, the previous work, few students were having solution 8 as a doubt. So I've shared the same with you all. Hope you all have corrected and have done that particular exercise at 1.5. Now today we are going to start with the next exercise, which is based on the word problems of rational numbers. Okay? So we're going to take the last exercise 1.6, which is again completing on word problems related to the rational numbers. See, basically here what we are going to do is separately had a we did the sums related to rational numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now in this particular exercise, as far as the word problems are concerned, we are going to talk about all four together. Okay, so let's start. Before I start, let us understand meaning of few terms which will be used in word problems. For example, when I say the total of all or all together, it means the sum of all the values that are given. What is left? That means from the total, the given value to be subtracted, and then only I can get the left value. If I say given fraction, say 2 by 3 of total, of here would mean multiplication. Okay, so these are the basic things that you must know, class students. So we are going to start with the word problems. First question. Uh, Again, one thing important before I start with the discussion of the solutions of the exercise 1.6. Hope you are all ready with your books. Yes. See, few solutions I have explained you, which you will be doing and completing as homework, and few I have completely solved for you all. Fine. So the ones that are not completely solved, I am explaining you, they are obviously to be completed as homework. Okay. So let's start. I'll be discussing the questions with you all. Okay. The first question of the exercise is, yes. The first question of the exercise is, I'm reading out the question, please pay attention. In a bag, there are 20 kg of fruits. So, what is the total weight of the fruits? 20 kg. Okay. In a bag, there are 20 kg of fruits. If 7 1 by 6 kg of these fruits be oranges. So, what is the mass of the oranges? It is 7 1 by 6 kg. And 8 2 by 3 kg of these are apples. So what is the mass of the apples? 8 2 by 3 kg. Fine. The question is, find the mass of the grapes in the bag. So students, this is the mass of oranges, 7 1 by 6, 8 2 by 3, this is the mass of the apples, and this is 20, the total weight of the fruits in the bag. So what will be the weight of grapes or mass of grapes in the bag? Yes, sum of the two which are given, oranges plus apples weight, and this sum will be subtracted from the total weight. So 20 minus 7 1 by 6 plus 8 2 by 3. Here you need to be very clear, students. Why am I putting this bracket is because you will do the addition first and then you will subtract from the total. Clear? Now further solution you can all complete. Clear everyone? So first is that. Let's move to the next question. What it says? Question is, the population of a city is 6,63,432. If half of the population are adult males, what's the total population, students? 6,63,432. This is the total value. The number of males are not given. What is given? The number of males as a fraction of total. So the number of males is given as half of the total population. Of, I told you, means multiply. So number of males will be what? Half of this total. So you can solve it down. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So that is how you will be getting number of males. Further, the question says, and 1 by 3 of the population are adult females. What is the fraction for the females? 1 by 3. Now 1 by 3 of what? Of again total population. So number of females will be what? 1 by 3 of 6,63,432. Now this is the total population. Number of males you will calculate. Number of females also you can calculate. So what will be the number of children? Yes, the total population minus the number of males that you get from here plus the number of females. Again here exactly same as first, you will add the two first, number of males plus number of females, and whatever you get as the sum, that sum will be subtracted from the total population. Okay, so this was about the second question. Hope you all have understood. Must complete the same. Fine. Let's move to the next question. Here. The third question I've solved completely for you. I've solved it. So let's see the question, what it says. The question says, in an examination, 400 students appeared. So the third question says that there are total 400 students who appeared in an exam. So what is the total students? Yes, it is 400. Now, further it is, if 2 by 3 of the boys, we don't know the number of boys, but we know 2 by 3 of the boys. Whatever is the number of boys, 2 by 3 of that. Okay. 2 by 3 of the boys and all 130 girls. Pay attention. The question says all. That means total. All is for total. All 130 girls. That means total girls who appeared in the exam are 130, and the statement says all 130 girls passed. So what is the total number of girls? 130. How many passed? All 130. What is the total students? Remember once again, 400. Total number of girls? 130. So what is the number of boys that means who appear? Total is this, girls, that is, this is the number. So how many boys appeared for the exam? 400 minus 130, that means 270 boys appeared for the exam. Clear? Now how many of them passed out of these 270? Question is, 2 by 3 of the boys passed the exam. So boys who passed the exam are 2 by 3 of the total boys who appeared. Clear? Solve it out. 3 nines are 27. 90 it becomes. 90 into 2, that is 180. So this was the number of boys who passed the exam. The question is asking us how many boys failed. What was the total number of boys who appeared? 270. How many boys passed? 180. So how many boys are there who failed? It will be total boys 270 minus the number of boys who passed, that is 180. So it comes out 90 as the answer. Understood? Completed. Let's move to the next question. Now the next question is question number 4. The question says, pay attention, this is some sort of physics question also, because in physics we do speed, distance, time. Also in maths in class 6 and 7 you have used it. Okay, this formula. So let's see the question first. A car is moving at a speed of 42 by 3 km per hour. What is this 42 by 3 km per hour? It is the speed given. What's the formula for speed? Speed is distance upon time. Speed is given in the question. Find how much distance. How much distance means distance is unknown. We have to find out. Will it cover in 9 by 10 hours? So this is the time given, 9 by 10 hours. This is the speed. What's the formula for distance from here? If speed is distance upon time, distance comes out speed into time. Yes, so this is the speed. This is the time. I'll get distance by multiplying the two. You all know how to multiply the rational numbers. Already I've explained. Fine. The answer will come always in kilometers. Why? Because this is the distance covered. Here it was kilometer per hour. Here it is hour. So hour will be cancelled. What are we left with? Kilometers. Clear everyone? So this you are going to complete after multiplying. Fine. The next question I have solved it completely for you. So let's see what it is. Okay. So question number 5. See what it is. I'll read it out from the book. The question says, find the area of a square. What's the formula, student, for area of square? Side into side. So area of square is side into side. Perfect. Whose one side is 5,7 by 9 meter. So what is the side value given? 5,7 upon 9. What will be the area formula? Side into side. So multiplying the two. Convert it into improper fraction. This is next. 5 nines are 45. 45 plus 7, 52. 52 by 9 into 52 by 9. Numerator and numerator will be multiplied. What do you get? 2,704. 9 nines are 81. This is not appearing in the screen, but it's 81. You all understand 9 nines are 81. So what will be it? What will be the answer in mixed fraction? 33, 31 upon 81 meter square. Clear everyone? Solution 5. So easy to understand. Area of square is side into side. Side is given. So multiply and the answer will be written in mixed fraction. What will be the unit of area? Area is always in meter square or square unit. Fine. This was solution number 5. Let's move to the next now. Question number 6. Again, this one I have solved it for you. See question number 6 what it is. Question number 6, I'll read it out for you. Yes, the question is, 6th question is, perimeter of a rectangle is 15 3 by 7. What's the perimeter given? Yes, perimeter of a rectangle is given to you. It is 15 3 by 7. Length of it is 4 2 by 7. So length is also given. Length is given. Perimeter is given. What's the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? Rectangle is, you can see it on the screen. Screen is also rectangular in shape. It is having length and it is having breadth. So what's the formula for perimeter? Add all the side. Length plus breadth. Length plus breadth. What do you get? Twice length plus breadth. Clear? Twice length plus twice breadth. Opening the brackets. Now I have to find out in the question the breadth value. Length is given, perimeter is given. So take this 2L on the other side. Here it is getting added. Other side will be subtracted from the perimeter. So what do I get as formula for breadth? Yes, take this to half of the perimeter minus twice the length. Work it out. Put the values. Perimeter is 15 3 by 7, which comes out 108 upon 7. Next, 4 2 by 7. 4 7 are 28. 28 plus 2, 30. 30 upon 7. 32 is a 60. 60 upon 7. Denominators are same. So easy. What's the LCM? 7. 108 minus 60. What do you get? 48. Yes. So 1 by 2 into 48 upon 7. 2 ones are 2. 2 24s are 48. So what do I get as the breadth? I get it as 24 by 7 meter, because length was in meter, breadth will also be in meter. Okay. So breadth comes out 24 by 7, and I can write it in mixed fraction as 4 3s are 12. In mixed fraction, it will be 7 here, students. Please correct it here. It will be 7. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3, 24. Yes. 3 3 by 7 meter. It will be 7 here. Please do this correction particular. 7 it will be. Okay. It will be 3 3 by 7 meter. Fine. Clear, everyone? Let's move to the next question. Yes. So this is the last question which I'll be discussing with you all in the class. Yes. Pay attention what it says. Yes. This is question number 7 of your book, and the question says Rahul had a rope of 325 4 by 5. What's the total length of the rope given? 325 4 by 5 meter, which comes out 1629 upon 5 meter. This is what it is. Okay, this is the total length. Out of which he cut off 153 by 5 meter. By what is the value which he cut? Yes, 153 by 5. For example, if I am saying there is a total length of there is a rope of length 10 meter and 2 meter you cut. What is the remaining value? 10 minus 2, that is 8 meter. So the same concept. Total length is given to you. We convert it into improper fraction. Length being cut 153 by 5. So what is the rope left after cutting? This total length minus the one which is cut off. We get it as this. Clear this much part? Sure. Let's move. The further question says, now this remaining part, how much is remaining? 876 by 5 meter is remaining. What is done with this part? It is the rest of the rope is divided into 3 equal parts. So what are the number of pieces you have done for this remaining rope? 3 pieces. And what kind of pieces? Equal pieces. So what will be the length of each? You have a rope of 10 meter. You cut off 1. What is left? 9 meter. Divided into 3 equal parts. What will be the length of each? 9 by divided by 3. That is 3 meter. Same concept. This is the remaining rope length. And number of pieces is 3. So divide the total length, remaining length of the rope by 3. And division changes to multiplication. Reciprocal 3 by 1 changes to 1 by 3. Yes. Solve it out. It comes out 292 upon 5. And in mixed value, mixed fraction, it comes out 58 2 by 5 meter. This is the length of each equal piece. Clear, students? So this was all about today's class. Your homework I have clearly mentioned here. Complete exercise 1.6 up to question number 10. Few I have discussed with you, few I have given. And other than that, up till question number 10, you have to complete in maths 2. Few students are asking again and again for maths 1 or maths 2. See if you are able to follow the way I have told you, it's fine. Otherwise, in whichever issue you have done, later on we will check it. But further, whatever work you are doing, it should all be correct. Okay. So this was all for today's class. Thank you, students. Complete all your work. Thank you.